Sino ba talaga ang kasama o magiging kasama ni Diego sa ating What's for Breakfast?
Si Miss Sara Gagatiga ay isang teacher, librarian, published author, vlogger at isang magaling na storyteller. Naging presidente ng Philippine Board and Books for Young People. At sa ngayon, siya ay isang board member na kumakatawan sa grupo ng mga librarian. Siya ang mayakda ng picture book na My Daddy, My One and Only at A Tale of Dreams. Nakapag-lecture na rin siya sa iba't ibang bansa katulad ng Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong at Indonesia patungkol sa library science. Ano kaya ang paboritong almusal ng isang mahusay na kwentista? Yan ang ating aalamin sa What's for Breakfast.
Yes, good morning sa inyong guys sa studio at good morning sa mga nanonood sa atin. Of course, Tuesday today, a very special guest, Teacher Sara.
Good morning.
Good morning. And syempre po, trabaho niyo physically, it's nakakapagod also yan, no? And
yan.
mentally, mental stress.
Yes.
So, very important talaga ang kinakain, no? So, you were telling me kasi kanina na as much as possible, you want to start your day balance. What do you mean po by balance?
Pag sinabi ko kasing balance, there's carbo, protein, and then fruits and vegetables.
So, it's really a concerted effort to make sure that you really have these nutrients.
Yes.
Hindi lang yung tsambahan, bahala na, we'll just put whatever.
No, in fact, I plan it eh.
Okay.
So, kasama na rin
up to
sa...
lunch, saka
Yes,
sa dinner.
yes, oo.
Okay. So, let's talk about breakfast. What is this you're eating for breakfast today?
So, this is toasted bread and omelette with mushroom and cheese.
Oh, okay.
And then may side salad na greens and mangoes.
But you have no specific cheese naman.
Wala.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Basta you have your protein.
Yes.
At saka yung salad nyo, di ba, aside from the vegetables, you put mangoes pa.
Yes, oo.
Is that for the taste or it's
For the
health?
taste, for the
Okay,
taste.
so hindi po kayo mabore.
Yes, oo. Kasi it's also one way for me to lessen my sugar intake.
So you don't crave.
So, bumabawi ako sa fruits.
Ayun.
Kaya ang coffee ko ay black.
Black coffee
Yes.
with brown sugar or cocoa
No,
sugar?
talagang
There's no sugar?
No sugar.
Hardcore coffee drinker pala po kayo.
To last me through the day kasi maaga rin yung simula ng classes, tapos maaga rin akong umaalis ng bahay.
Siyempre, that's just the first cup.
Yes!
Tama.
Second cup comes after lunch.
That's
yan.
right.
Oo.
O sige, paki-share po sa mga taong conscious sa weight nila kung ano po yung for the cheese and mushroom omelette, what are the nutrition facts of this dish?
Well, for the nutrition facts, no, yung calories niya 370, total fat is 31 grams, total carbs is 3 grams only, protein is 22 grams, cholesterol 683 milligrams, ang sodium content niya 235, vitamin A 36% at calcium 14%. That's for the cheese and mushroom omelette.
Balance
Yes.
nga and the fruit and vegetable salad.
Ang calories niya 187, sodium is 643 milligrams, total fat 3 grams lang, potassium 1,417 milligrams. Yan, no? Para malakas talaga.
Oh.
May energy. Carbohydrates, 35 grams. Dietary fiber, 11 grams. Sugar, 17 grams lang. Protein, 12 grams.
Of course, yung sa salad, no, it's sa dressing na lang yan nagkakatalo.
Oo, doon bumabawi.
Upper or the lower ends of the calorie chart.
That's right.
Ayun, so very interesting. Thank you for sharing with us na yung balanced breakfast na sana magaya namin sometime. Yun, so ayan, maraming salamat at mamaya makakasama natin si Teacher Sara sa Anything Under the Sun. Konsulta mo. Balik sa inyo dyan sa studio.